Hey guys, this is Sir Anup. Hope all of you are fit and fine. Don't you think that it's been a while that we have followed any fitness regime during this lockdown? I'm sure that you have been relishing a lot of food prepared by your loved ones. In all this, I must ask you a question of a great importance. For the amount of calories you have consumed, are you exercising enough? Have you maintained your fitness level? If yes, then yes, you are on the right track. If no, I have a right plan for you. So today we are going to discuss on an important topic, an interesting topic, that is core. So today we will be going to discuss on core, and I will be also showing you a few exercises which is related to core. But before that, I want to brief you up with what actually core about in my own words. So core is divided into 4 sections, that is abdomen, back extensor, lateral trunk and the hip muscle. These are the group of muscles which holds the structure of the body when the body undergoes a shock, like during a fall or while performing any vigorous activity. So strengthening this part of the body, that is from the lower abdomen to the lower back, is very much important in sustaining the shape of your spine. So let's get started with these exercises, but before that I will recommend you to either go for 30 to 45 minutes walk or a jog, which will prepare yourself performing all these exercises, which will warm yourself up, which will increase the fluidity of joints, or perform 10 to 20 Surya Namaskar. If that is also a big number for you, you can also perform 5 Surya Namaskar before you start with the core exercises. If not 5, at least perform 2 or 1, because 1 is a better number than 0. Everybody knows that. Okay, so let's get started with it. I am going to show you how the Surya Namaskar has to be performed. So let's go for it.
Stand at the front of your mat with your hands in Namaskara Mudra. Inhaling, raise your arms above your head and bend your upper body backward. Exhaling, bend forward, bringing your chest towards your thighs and your hands towards the floor. Inhaling, lunge your left leg straight back behind you. Exhaling to plank position, stepping your right leg back. Bend your elbows, lowering your chest and chin to the floor. Hold your breath. Inhaling, raise your head and rib cage up. Exhale, tucking your toes and lifting your hips up. Inhale into the lunge pose again, stepping your left foot forward. Exhale into the standing forward bend again. Inhale into the arms reaching upward pose again. Exhale, completing the sun salutation by returning to the standing position.
This completes a set of Surya Namaskar. So now let's see how to perform core exercises. The first exercise which we will be starting with is cross climbers, wherein you have to get into a plank position, hit your right knee to the left elbow and left knee to the right elbow. There will be a 10 continuous exercises. It will be in a sequence wherein you have to perform the activity for 20 seconds. It is on you how much time you have to give. Then 10 second rest and again 20. This sequence will go on. So now let's see how to just perform this activity. Now after 20 seconds you will get 10 seconds rest. The next exercise will be knee tucks, wherein you have to drive your knees towards the chest, keeping your hands by the side. Start. You do it very fast. Take your time. The important thing is balance yourself. When exhale, you forward inhale. The next exercise will be Spider-Man kicks. You have to hit your right knee to the right elbow and left knee to the left elbow. Exhale when you get your knees close to your elbows. be Russian twist. Either for the beginners, they can keep their heels down. Advanced, they can raise it slightly above the floor. This is for the beginner level. Twist, exhale. Same thing, legs and twist. Next exercise will be plank jacks or bean jacks. You have to jump with your legs wide and get your knees at the center. Jump exhaling, inhaling, getting center. Next are flutter kicks. Lie on your back. Keep your hands under the glutes and simply raise your legs up and down. Keep breathing normally. Try to sustain yourself till 20 seconds. Toes forward. Next is reverse lunges or upward planks. Keep your hands wide and raise up. Take your navel towards the ceiling. Go down. Exhaling, come up. Inhaling, go down. Exhaling, go up. Try to hold your position up. Next, you have to kick with your straight leg upwards along with both your hands. This, exhaling, go up. Inhaling, come down. You can even bend your knees if you find it, or if you are getting any pain in your knees. Go by the side and get up. Next will be plank hips. You will get into the plank position. And with your hips, go to your left and right. You can also place your arms down to perform this activity. To your left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Next are half wipers. Go to your knees. Keep your hands wide. Go to your left, right. When you get your legs to your left side, you exhale in the center. Inhale. And exhale to your right. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. That finishes a sequence of 10 core exercises. Hey, today we have seen 10 different core exercises in the sequence. Please try this at home. It will keep you healthy and fit. The only tip which I want to give it to the beginners that it is not necessary that you have to perform all these exercises in a sequence. You can take only 2 to 3 or 4 exercises which you can do it with ease. Once you start feeling that your core is getting stronger, then you can keep adding this remaining exercises to your schedule. The day the school reopens, we want to see each and every student fit and fine. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit and stay at home. Thank you very much.